guys are up. I said, oh yeah. Well, no, sometimes I'm just trying to get clarification from y'all. You know, on that one, he said I found him. I was like, bro, I whiffed, but I was like, but he said from his angle and the way his body contorted, it looked as if I hit him, and I'm like, no, that's fair.
So if you want to try to steal the ball,
you got your hand in the cookie jar.
always fight close to the if you fight club, they're not really fight it out.
Well, and especially the wind up.
Right.
I mean, a lot of times I'm trying to.
Hey, come on, you fight.
I got a game before. They're making that sample.
Oh yeah, he ended up showing up.
I know, but we do that every Saturday.
Wait, somebody.
Wala pa si Tim. Si Connor, video. So really like, you have to put it like you know somebody there? Oh! I want to ask you because your parents will visit there as a family, so I can ask you a lot of things. Oh!
Best place.
Let's make it. Your families?
Yeah,
A lot of things to do, right?
or Maui. Maui's good too. But Maui had that fire.
How are you planning it? What summer is that?
Summer's not bad. It doesn't matter what they do in the rain.
Wow.
It's better to go to Hawaii or Maui. What about you?
In March or let's say March to the time probably that's what you're thinking.
Best time to go is for July.
Oh, not right.
July still.
Planning on it.
Yeah, if you want to go to 4th of July. It's better.
Tickets, airfare tickets.
No, so there's no more Hawaiian Airlines.
Oh.
They're not bought out. So they're not on Alaska Airlines now.
There's a lot.
So if you're gonna go, fly out of San Francisco non-stop. If you fly out of Sacramento,
Pricey, right?
no, cheap.
Chicken Sacramento or San Francisco?
And it's non-stop out of San Francisco. If you fly out of Sacramento, you gotta stop. You gotta stop in Maui. Yeah, you gotta stop in Maui for flight. Fly out of San Francisco is cheaper.
I was gonna.
Yeah. Michelle, we're not doing Champions League? You're not refereeing our Champions League? I know Carlos been asking me, but yeah, he's been asking me, but I'm like, I don't want. He wants me to do Crocs a long time. I'm like, they cry too much at Crocs.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
The game is too long.
Yeah, it's too long, and they never start on time.
One time I went there, but I told him no more.
Yeah. It's too long in the stop clock.
Yeah. Like, too long.
Yeah, so I have Ace over there sometimes. And he said he don't like it either because it's too long. Yeah.
Yeah, I cannot go like every weekend.
Yeah.
So I work every other weekend.
Yeah, it's just too long over there.
But Iman had a lot of weeks. He had a Friday, Saturday,
Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.
Yeah.
Monday too. It's a lot of money.
Yeah.
And it's all cash.
Yeah. And it's easy in Puyas, I think. Because they want to run out.
Even Puyas and Quitos. The hard one is on Sundays.
Sundays.
Yeah, games.
Oh,
Yeah, I do that sometimes. Yeah, you just gotta. Yeah, I do that. I did it like at least 5 times, or 5 or 6 times.
the one who there's a black
Yeah, with all the
there.
games. Yeah. I know a lot of them, so they don't really say it. They don't really give me a hard time. But they just cry about it. Yeah, he makes a lot of money.
I think since Patrick's coming to Mason, I think whatever you want.
So I think he donates like. You gotta talk to Henry. I think he donates like 1,000 a month.
For me?
Yeah.
1,000 a month?
Yes.
Ryan, what's the
Really? Yeah.
number?
Yes. He told me last time he said it was only 1,000 a month. And he gets the gym for free. Because everything is donation.
1,000 a month.
That's cheap.
That's cheap for the league.
Yeah, because he makes all the league, like one league, he makes at least about almost $9.
That's a good business.
Before it used to be Venmo, right? And then Venmo was taxing you, he was getting taxed.
Oh, yeah,
That's
that
why
was
he
cash.
stopped doing cash, so they don't track you. Yeah, so
Appreciate you, fellas.
yes sir.
Thank you, guys. Called a great game.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So now everything goes to him, no tax.
It's a Mexican.
It's smart, but you know,
Smart, yeah.
it's smart, but it's hard to collect money from him.
I know, yeah. It's hard. Collect the money,
Yeah.
right?
Especially on Sundays, when all the kids get, always has a hard time. Always has a hard time. So just imagine $85
Per player,
per player, and you have 120.
120 players?
And then he pays the referee only $40 a game.
Yeah.
They should pay at least 35 a game. Hey, Henry, do they have enough?
Then Jim Combo is coming, right?
Yeah, after the game.
After the game?
Then, I don't know. But he said,
Where's the last game?
he said it'll be late.
What time is
He
the
said
last
it'll be
game?
late. I don't know what time.
5:30.
14 lang today?
Yeah.
14 today?
Yeah, 14. Four games.
4 games only? I thought we got 19.
Oh, no. There's a one bye.
What time is the next game? 4:30, right? Or right now?
Yeah?
You get now?
Yeah.
Let's go, guys. Y'all got 4. You got 4. It's in the back.
That's the biggest.
So to me, he's in the back.
This is the second game between the Knights versus the Davao Eagles.
positive eh.
4 against 5. You only got 5 too.
May headset pa na may bukod pa sa teko.
Oh, very good. Oh, goes to DJ.
Assist na dropping.
Steal by Mountain. Two point by Kevin Estrada. To Ed, 2 points by Ed.
Yeah.
Oh, steal by Precious.
No, him.
Oh, rebound by Nancy.
Thank you.
Yeah, 1. Rebound by Kel, good. Rebound by Kevin.
Naka-irrigate siya. That's yung number 5 siya.
3 point by King, assist by Kevin.
Naka-irrigate pa siya. Franchise. Ha? Si franchise.
Ah, it's a rebound by Kevin. Good. Rebound by Jojo. Rebound again by Jojo. And Kel, you will be Kel again. Francis, number 2 by Francis. Assist by Kevin.
Ano? May earrings? Earrings? Earring it? Earring it din, no?
Oh, good by Monty.
No headset.
Kevin, good. Rebound by Kel. Kel with the ball. To Monty. To Jojo. Jojo. To Ed. Ed jump shot. Number 2 by Ed. Seven four, 3-point lead by Eagles. Oh, 3 points by franchise. Ten four, 6-point lead by Dallas Eagles. Again to Ed with the ball. Ed, oh wow. To Kel for 3, no good. Rebound by Eagles. Assist to Testa. Nice. Good to franchise.
Malaba ko pala suho.
Again to Ed with the ball. Ed. To Jojo. Oh, foul. Repeat. Foul, DJ. First personal foul, first team foul.
Bilangin mo lang dito yung second quarter. Kasi yun ko try out. Kasi nag-release ito. Salita.
Oh, to Jojo. One to Jojo. Well, 6-point lead by Double Eagles. Oh, what a pass. Oh, steal by Ed. To Kel. Oh, what an assist. Go good again. Francis to DJ. DJ, no good. To Francis to the rebound.
Ayan, Francis.
Yeah, Francis no good. Rebound by DJ. DJ, no good again. Rebound again. Nice one by DJ.
Pwede sila mag-time out ba? Substitution.
Oh, no good again.
Puno na lang ako sa inyo dito. Assist na one. Kevin?
Nasabi.
First game, oh. Ayos. Lakas ng team nila doon.
Yep. Pwede na siya pumasok. Sub.
Wala kasi tayo si Chucky mag-jump eh. Lubid yung team niya. Ay, good shot. Late. Pati yung si Mendoza. Santong. Ayos.
Back to the ball game, 16-6. Come on. And to Ed. He's 5-4. Georgia. Georgia with the ball to Monty. And careful Pino, good. $16-6. 5 minutes, 54 seconds in the first quarter. Francis. To Ivy. To DJ for 3. No good. It's a rebound by the Francis. Turnover. Okay. 16-6.
Wala, ka-gym to na team eh. Bye. Parang idol. Kay gym to na team itong block. Gym tong bro.
To Monty. To Kel. To Ed. To Kel. Oh.
Tunugan ni... Sino kalaban nyo? Wala mic ko.
Then to DJ. Francis, to Andy for 3. Okay, to Kel, to Monty. Down shot for 2.
Nahabol nila ng white to.
19-8, 11-point lead. And 3 points for DJ. Good. Rebound by Monty.
Ako.
Jojo for 3. Francis for 3. Ribay, and Jojo. Good pursuit by Jojo. Francis. Francis is the ball. Okay. DJ, good pursuit by DJ. Assist by Kevin. This brother. 21-13, 8-point lead by Davao Eagles. Oh, steal by DJ. Easy two by DJ. Monty. Oh, steal again by DJ. Okay, steal by Jujo. And Jujo, good for
Pero dito, tubig lang. May oxygen ba daw dyan?
Yeah. Bukuhan.
Jo, huwag ka na tumakbo.
Franchise. DJ.
Foul out. Talo na sila, foul out.
Kevin. Added 14. Ribalakin by Jujo. Number 2 by Francis. 25-16, 9-point lead only, 9-point lead for Davao Eagles. Kale, to Ed. Kale for 3, no good again. This is rebound by Monty. Again to Jojo.
Feel foul? 12? Kanya po.
No good again. Rebound by DJ.
Nagdala sa ating sapatos.
25-18, 7-point lead only, 7-point lead. Francis. Oh, and first quarter.
Gas! Oxygen!
Loko yun.
Oh, no bother. No bother. We're Captain Bo. Oxygen. Dapat nandito siya. Bukas to eh. Ito yung pinakamalakas yata eh. Yung Brian, dalawang Brian. Laro ka yung Friday na. Sayang. Two timeouts first half, 2 timeouts second half. Like you got 4 timeouts all in all for the whole game. Use your timeouts. Doesn't carry over. You know, you need to use your timeouts in the first half so it doesn't carry over to the second half. Use your timeouts. 2 timeouts first half, 2 timeouts second half. Doesn't carry over. Wala. Hey, use your timeouts because 2 timeouts, no carryover.
Star number 6. no quarter. Keo, Kumani. Ano? Ball ball. Keo. Jump shot. Oh! Wow.
Basket, 9:15, hit, one.
Lima na lang, mahabol. Mahabol pa yan.
Oh, now 4 minutes, 44. 4-point lead. It's like 4-point lead.
You got the six, only the round with yours.
Oh, yes. Good game. Recover Monty. Okay, with Ed Pelempati, no good. You got my DJ. Who's foul? Foul, Monty, first personal foul. First team foul. Simon Knights. Okay, DJ shooting for 2 free throws. Oh, good, DJ. Other one. Other one, DJ. 26-21. 10 minutes. 7 seconds. Monkey. To Keo, jump shot. No good. Rebound by Monkey. Oh, 2 points gained by good.
Kukuha lang ng hangin.
Oh, steal by good. Oh, no good by Ed. Keo, to Monty. Monty jump shot. No good.
Siya na lang sana. Pumasok.
No good by DJ. Keo for three. No good.
White card.
Good first personal foul. Secret team foul. San Juan Knights. A 3-point for Sanchez. Good. Two points. Okay, Francis. Oh, steal the red. 2 points.
Isa na lang.
Good again. Good by Irving. Score is 26-25. 1 point lead only by Eagles. Good. Rebound by Francis. Oh, service. Good point again by Monty. Again, rebound by Jojo. 2 points. Round one. Round one. White team.
1 inch. One more timeout.
One more timeout.
One more timeout.
Nasaan mo na?
One more timeout. Hit mo timeout. Hit mo. Only hit. Will.
Joseph said, how are you? Because it's like,
Yeah.
Yeah, good thing. Good.
too good.
Hey, Ace, just text me tomorrow. Well, tell me where tomorrow.
I asked CT too if we can do it.
All right.
Monday and Tuesday.
Yeah, just text me.
I told them. I told them here. No, I asked them that. He said that it's already on.
Hey, that's because weather is open.
Because they don't
Yeah. Bukas yung ano dun eh.
Yeah, bukas na binuksan eh. They said that it's already open. They said they have the sign.
Oh guys, Chiefs favor. San Juan Knights got half one.
Oh, lamang pa kayo!
Yeah. 26-27. Team for three. Good. Rebound. Oh. Yeah. Good for two. 26-29. 26-29.
Second shot. Second shot. Malapit na rin sa penalty.
Sam. Come on, 4 against 5. 26-30. 26-30.
I 4 against 6.
Eh, time out. Kailangan yung gamitin time out.
Against Kale. Move up the Kale. Woo! 26-31. Kale jump shot. Good for two. 28-33. That's it. He did it. Go good again. Oh, good. Good for two.
First time to history, kumatalo mo naman.
Good again. He found it too. 2 points by Kevin. 3-35. Ed. Nice. Good. 1-14. No good. Rebound by DJ. Oh, 15. Good for two, 15.
Sino tumawag?
Let's do shot. Way up, bye. Hindi. Nag-time out sila.
No more timeout here. No more timeout. Oh, San Juan Knights. No more timeout.
Don't mix it up because there's already what size? Medium?
Wide, wide! Wide po, wide! Wide!
Oh, sweet.
Game to 8. Transfer. The team for three. Big assist by Francois. 35 Wolves. Tied up. 3 minutes, 38 seconds in the second quarter. To Kale. To Monty. Monty jump shot. Oh, 3 points. 3 points by Kale.
Kanina pa niya ina-interest eh.
DJ, number 2 by DJ. Good.
Warning na sila.
Warning for penalty. First personal foul team. Two free throws for Juju Cooper. Good.
Last game kaya? Baka hindi ako maglaro. 10 kami. Yung 10 dyan.
Over again. Rebound by Francis. Again, Francis 14. Good. Penalty na yung back. First personal foul, Kevin. Magobet. Alvin Fred. One, Fred. DJ. Oh, 41-37 for lead.
Nasaan?
18 seconds, last minute, second quarter.
Malakas naman na, malakas na.
No more time, no more time, no more time.
Time out.
Let's go, time out.
How many seconds? 7 seconds. Nicole, time out. 7 seconds still, second quarter. Time out. They call time out.
Bago ka mag-shoot, assist muna kung sino may assist. Bago mo kailangan pinipili yung bola. Oh, ano, wala pa. Hey! Ay, wala pa. Isa na lang, isa pa. My new Falcon is gonna come, I think, January 15. Yeah, because it's a new one. Oh, good. Time out. No more time out. No more time out. 2 seconds. Only 6:37. Come on, guys. There are only 4 and you got 6. Then you got 8. Apat lang sila. Wow. Wala ka rin. Akala sa gitna. Akala sa gitna. Uy! Tingin mo na ako. Kapre, balik ka.
Okay lang. Tatapos lang trabaho.
Pag linggo na trabaho ko pa rin.
Oo. Ano tayo yung schedule ko eh.
Malamig pa. Tubig ah. Ito, kasi pa natin nagdagala itong tubig sila. Commissioner. Ito nga, extra. Ito? Baka wala ka na. Ang laki nito eh. Ha? Ang laki.
May extra pa na.
Ha? Nakuha na ako sa baso.
Sabi na nga sa akin yung isang to.
Next game kayo, next game.
Hindi pa.
Ilan bang laro ko? Apat.
1:30 kasi. Pangalawa na ba ito? Pangalawa. Yeah.
Ito lagi bola, tira. Lamig. Ayos. Yung buwan mo, yung papel mo.
Next, ano pa?
Oo, para marami. Mga dyan. Para ready na. Yung mga ba? Yeah.
Game ball, third quarter. Oh, good by. Okay, Ed, good Ed. Rebound, rebound by Monty.
Patay ka.
Good. Out of bounds.
46-37. 9-point lead by Salomon Knights.
DJ. To Francis. Good foul.
Bay, narito bay.
Ayun na.
Oh, okay. Oh, ano bay? Okay na bay, naraman rin yung consult ko. Okay na. Post foul, Jojo. Nahin mo bay, akong gilahi bay. Kaya ang short bay.
Good for one for Francis.
Hawakan ko na ito.
Salap naman.
Oh. Full foul. Francis. Three shots for Jojo. Come on.
Irisan ba yun?
Jojo shooting for three free throws.
Wala sa ayos kayo. Di ko na ayos kayo. If this San Juan Knights gonna win today, this is the first time that four players got in history.
Okay, Jojo. Oh, good. What is 38? 10-point lead. Oh, steal by Jojo. Oh, good. DJ Francis. Good for two.
Away. Ikaw naman, kakampi mo si Wong. Ha? Kakampi mo si Wong? Sino? Si Wong? Hindi.
Oh, steal by Kevin. Good for two by Kevin. Jojo. Good for two by Jojo. Franchise for three. No goal.
Run! Yun. Balik sa 10.
Back to 10. 52.2, 3-point lead again. To the four players. In Arvin for three. No goal. Oh, 2 points. Monty. Jojo. 44-52. 8-point lead by the four players. The San Juan Knights. Foul. Kevin, second personal foul. Second team foul. San Juan Knights. Next for three, no good. Again, next for three. Again, Francis, no good. Keep on with Monty. Again. Jojo. Again, the black by Joseph. And Joseph for three, airball! Number two.
The franchise is going out of business. Come on, man. They only have 4 guys. How are you losing?
4 out of 6. Because there's 6.
4 against 6.
4 against
They're down
6.
11. Come on, man.
Yeah. You got the. Sinang timeout? One more timeout here. One more timeout. One more timeout. 2 more timeout here. 2 more timeouts. 1 more timeout here.
Well, black team getting together. 6:38 to go in the first quarter.
White. I will white go.
This is terrible. Okay, point forward, point center.
All the way. Black, Monty, come on. Getting frisky.
Second personal foul. 25. Think.
Down, Craig,
There are only 2.
Craig again, drive baseline.
To kill. Nine point lead. Kumunti.
Black, 15.
Third personal foul, DJ. Timeout. Oh. Sub. You need sub. Third personal foul, Francis. Pinpoint lead.
10 point lead in the 4 minutes.
baseline, strong. Second, pitches over. Rebound from Mississippi. 3-on-1. 3-on-1. Ramsey.
6-point lead, 6-point lead.
6 points in. The white team might be running out of gas. They are slowing down.
54-16.
4 to go.
Black 5. Nigga, use your hand.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty, warning for penalty.
1 more no penalty. 2:13 to go. 6-point game. Celtics and the exit.
Who's scoring all the points for the white team? Who's scoring the points for the white team?
Juju and the two small guys. Oh, come on!
Good pass.
They're small, but they're
Step into my money.
And for only one. Oh, Mikey. Mikey, oh, I thought it was going to fade. And here comes Summerville over. Takes the rebound. 1:30 to go. DJ for 3. Over. Takes the rebound.
oh, there you go. There you go.
6-point game. 1:24. White team, yes.
6-point lead, 6-point lead. Monty, next game.
Juju makes the move, cover bottom, gets the screen from down, Juju baseline,
Try.
strong move.
Kinakain ko ng buhay buhay. Kinakain ko ng buhay Juju. Silang aking kinakain ng buhay.
Back and forth they go, 45 seconds, 6-point game.
My game. 43 seconds. Oh, what a game. Oh!
Number 6, what's away? He wants the foul. He's not getting it to Julian. Julian, 20 seconds to go.
Monty, stop. Let just stop you.
Yeah, run for commission.
Score lang. One timeout here, 2 timeouts here.
So far, yes.
Shut up, you're shut up. Oh.
Shot clock is in effect. Monday,
15 seconds, shut up.
15 seconds on the shot clock. Got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, go for 3. DJ with the rebound. DJ, ooh.
Foul. Di Ed. Carry mo nito.
Okay,
Kapatid ko.
Hey, this is over, sir. Henry,
6 minutes.
The second team.
Yeah, second team.
8 minutes ang sub. No, automatic sub. 6 minutes.
8-point game. 8-16 go, Juju.
Third personal foul, RB.
Ha? 7 na. Foul. 7 foul. Five.
Who's foul, Kevin?
Penalty.
Penalty. Kevin, third personal foul, Kevin.
Ten points lead.
Five, 72, 7-point lead. 25 seconds. Second shot clock, 20 seconds. 20 seconds shot clock. Shot clock.
12 seconds on the shot clock.
10.
10.
9, 10, 7, 6, 1,
Visit. Visit 30. Yeah.
30.
Very good approach, man. Penalty. Yeah. Two shots. Third personal foul, team.
Yeah.
Got 30 points.
Second
Got
one.
31. Jojo got 31 points.
Sino captain nila?
Gilman mo.
Wala, sabi ko eh.
Ito pa naman pinakamalakang laki. Sila yung pinakamalaki. Turnover. Open sub, 6 minutes. Open sub, 6 minutes. Oh, come on. 3 again.
Monte, let's see a 3, Monte.
15 seconds, check clock.
15 seconds on the shot
Oh,
clock.
come on, money. What's foul? 4. Kale, first personal foul. Open sub.
My team desperately looking for a sub.
Open sub. ball, red ball.
That's almost still.
15 seconds shot na.
12 seconds on the shot clock. 20.
Stop.
5:40 to go. 7-point game.
Sabi ni Guy.
That's a flop. That's a flop. Oh, that's a flop. That's a flop.
69. Lap. Ako, busy foul lang.
I agree with you.
Ayaw.
What I say doesn't matter. Bottom line.
4 minutes. Oh, come on, Joseph. Whoa! 4-point game.
Double team.
Jaga.
1 seconds on the shot clock. Kevin Sindo. Stops the bleeding.
Wide. No more timeout, wide. No more timeout, wide. You have 2 timeouts here, 2 timeouts. No more timeout, 2 timeouts.
Double team.
Cramps ako. Cramps ako. Sayang, mga talon pala kayo ngayon. Kung mga cramps ka, ikaw na yung gumagawa. Kaya tatlo pa ako.
This is colder than a freezer. God damn. No insulation whatsoever.
No, because they open it there. They have the instrument fan.
Where's the heater? Come on.
No, they have it. They told us. But the problem is they open it there. I don't know why they open it there. That's up.
Oh no. You don't want to foul.
Penalty. 2 shots. Who's foul?
2 minutes stop clock tayo, di ba?
Who's foul? Franchise. Penalty na ba?
Yeah. Kanina pa. 10 pound, 10 pound.
11 fouls. Oh, good run. Ed got 27 points. That guy. They're the one killing it. That's no. And Jojo got 33 points. Oh, come on. Franchise. Seven.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Balik sa 10.
36 points.
I'm
Grabe.
First time. Foul.
First time history.
Third personal foul, franchise. 2 shots per end. 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. First time in
Ganun
history.
palang pag-score. Then nakikita na yung mga stats dyan, mga points ka. Ang galing ah. Galing mo pa yan.
Another one left. Oh, come on. 87-25. Francis. 2 points. By Francis. Lovely. 87-77. It's 1 minute 20. The franchise for Team Bay.
The franchise.
Ooh, 7-40, 87. Oh, Francis.
Francis, fourth personal foul. I mean, 5 fouls na. Franchise, 5 fouls. Yeah, no. 5 fouls. Francis, right in. Here. 5 fouls. Army, go. No, 5. He got 4. Last time, round. Foul ng foul time.
Good. Good. Number 1 for Good. 89-80, halfway in. 15-14, no good. Good. Over again. 89-80. Good ball. Number 5. Franchise, fourth personal foul. Franchise, fourth personal foul. Oh, what a game.
Okay na para game.
Good day again. Good command, Fred. Yeah. DJ 14, over again. Rebound by Monkey. Foul, Kevin. Fourth personal foul, Kevin. Penalty.
Run it?
No.
Stop.
10 points pa kasi.
Yeah.
15 points. Points din naman.
15 points difference.
15 points na time mo. Ano bang 10 points? Ano pa? Stop.
Good to the 29 points. Over again. Franchise. Good. The Francis 40. Okay. What a game! First time in history in a league. 4 players win.
Come on. 4 players, come on, Francis. Come on.
Masuk kayo ba? Hanay yung full game ba?
Thank you.
Ilang pounds ko?